How to install add-ons on Kodi. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily install add-ons on your Kodi. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Kodi application and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you land on the home page of your application, on the top you'll find different options like power menu, gear icon that will open settings, and then the search bar. You're just going to have to click on the search gear icon to open up your settings. And once you land on the settings page, head over to system settings and you'll find the add-ons option. Click on it, and once you click on the add-ons, you will have an option to install add-ons from this repository, or you could just search for new add-ons. So if you have an option to install from zip file or install from this repository, you could do that. Or you could just click on the search bar and click on my add-ons to install new add-ons. So from here, click on any one of the add-ons that you want to install. Click on it, and at the bottom right corner, you'll have an option to install. And once you've done that, you have successfully installed new add-ons on your Kodi. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.